Compound fractions.
What is a compound fraction?
A compound fraction is a fraction of a fraction. It is any collection of fractions connected with the word of. It is equal to the multiplication of fractions.
For example, what is half of a circle? Let's solve this by analyzing a circle. This is a type of a circular cake. When halved, it is divided equally into two parts and thus is written as 1/2, signifying that each half of a circle is one portion of a complete circle that is comprised of two equal sections. Also, halving one of a half circles is like dividing 1/2 by another 2, thereby making it 1/4. But how is it 1/4, you might ask? Well, in practice, it's like saying 1/2 times 1/2 equals 1/4, where 1 times 1 equals 1, and 2 times 2 equals 4, like we did in terms of multiplying normal proper fractions. So that's it.
Let's look at another example. What is 3/4 of 1/3? Here is the solution. 3/4 is equal to 3/4 and 1/3 is equal to 1/3. Since we could see as earlier described that fractions of is multiplication, we would therefore multiply this fraction like we did in the previous example. So 3/4 times 1/3 is equal to, well, let's first reduce the fraction by saying 3 into 3 is 1 and 3 into the other 3 is also 1. Therefore, the result of this multiplication is 1/4. Good.
Now let's solve some practical questions. Solve the following questions. 4/5 of 2/7. 32/45 of 15/8. 120/360 of 280/50 of the square root of 2/7. Now pause and solve the questions before continuing the program. Note, you're expected not to use a calculator at all